Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how you can send a group text message on OnePlus 13R. Firstly, open up messages. Now tap on start chat or on this icon in the top bottom right corner. Create group. Now select, no, this one, my bad. Here, messages and create group. Now select the people that you would like to send the message for. Also, you can just type in the phone number alone and send it to the phone number also. Then tap on next, done, and of course you can just type your message as you would usually do, and all of the replies are going to be handled in individual conversations, and the members of the group won't see each other. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.